Hi, my name is Ken Matthews, and I'm the author behind the Waffles the Chicken series, which is a series of children's picture books primarily focused around social emotional learning. Like most independent authors, we were extremely frustrated with the results that we were achieving from the Amazon advertising platform. While it's a great platform, we just didn't have the time or energy to sort through it and figure it out. And so my wife and I, we reached out to Jai and we asked for his help. What I loved about his process is he didn't jump right into the active advertising. He first took a look at all of our passive efforts. So he evaluated our keywords, he evaluated our book covers, our book descriptions, our titles, everything. And he made some pretty big changes that had a pretty big impact and a pretty immediate impact. We were very impressed with that side. But then when we switched over to the active advertising, he actually helped us drive our average cost of sale from 42%, where we were losing money with every sale through advertising, to 18%. So now we're actually making a true profit with every sale. So now as we go into the Christmas season, we're building upon a foundation of success and we're primed for growth. I'm very excited to see where this continues to lead to. And Jai, I really appreciate your help on this. I look forward to continuing working together with you.